Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to protect any files from being deleted or modified in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as file protection. On the first list you will see its official website, just click on it. Now here you will see a download option, just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run this software installer. Now click on this run setup. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just you can close it. Now just right mouse click on the respective file and now just click on the show more options. Now you'll see here one new option, protect file. Just click on it. Now you will see here one green square icon is appearing beside this file. That means it is protected. So let me try to open it and let me try to add or edit some text. And now let me click on this file and let me try to save it. So let me select this file again and want to replace it. So let me click on save. So now click on yes. So now you can see here this file is set to read only. Try again with a different file name. So I'm unable to save it. That means I'm unable to modify it. So let me try to delete this file. So let me click on this delete option. Let me click on continue. So now you can see you need permission to perform this action. Let me click on this try again. So you can see here I'm unable to delete it too. So it's working perfectly. So if you want to unprotect it again, then just right mouse click on this respective file and click on this some more options. And now just click on this unprotect file. Now you will see the green square icon has disappeared. That means now you can delete or modify it. So let me try to delete it. Let me click on delete. Now you can see I'm able to delete now. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily protect any files from being deleted or modified in Windows computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.